This afternoon, Governor Newsom wrapped up a visit in Half Moon Bay as he met with victims' families and law enforcement officials there. Fox 40 Capitol reporter Eitan Wallace joining us now live from the state capitol with the governor's message. Eitan.
Well, Nikki, the governor was visibly frustrated. He says these mass shootings must end, and he says that all should start with what he calls putting an end to a pattern of gun violence.
I'm damn sick and tired of this stuff. I'm sick of this.
A passionate Governor Gavin Newsom speaking from Half Moon Bay less than 24 hours after the small-town coastal community experienced the deadliest shooting ever seen in San Mateo County.
What the hell is going on?
The Half Moon Bay mass shooting came after the Southern California community of Monterey Park experienced its own deadly mass shooting during Lunar New Year celebrations. That as Oakland saw a deadly mass shooting on Monday night. The governor believes it comes down to one key issue.
The one common denominator are these damn guns. I got no ideological opposition to someone owning a gun responsibly. But what the hell is wrong with us that we allow these weapons of war and large capacity clips out on the streets and sidewalks?
It's a sentiment with which Assemblymember Mark Berman agrees. He represents Half Moon Bay in the legislature.
I am exhausted, I am drained, I am frustrated, but that doesn't mean that we can't stop working to reduce these unnecessary and senseless deaths.
He acknowledges California has some of the strictest gun laws in the nation, but argues it's not enough.
We have the smartest gun laws in the country. Those gun laws are saving people's lives, but people are still dying and we still need to do more.
Berman would like to see more accountability for gun manufacturers, but Republican Assembly Minority Leader James Gallagher says gun laws can only do so much.
Look, what we've done in California is we passed every gun control law you can imagine. It's not stopping these mass shootings in California. So we really need to start thinking differently. I think we need to get to the heart of why these things are happening and try to have our policy better target these situations and help prevent and deter these things from happening.
And Democratic members of the legislature already have started to work on gun control measures that they hope to get to the governor's desk by the end of the year. Reporting live here at the state capitol, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.